If you want to get ChatGPT 5 subscription cheaper in 2026, the best approach is to look at the official options first, then check any regional offers that may lower your cost. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to save money without taking unnecessary risks, and I'll also show you what to look for so you do not overpay. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more AI and software guides just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing to understand is that OpenAI may offer different pricing tiers depending on your region and account eligibility. One of the main budget-friendly options is the official mid-tier plan, often referred to as ChatGPT Go. This is designed for people who want more than the free version, but do not want to pay for the highest plan if they do not need all of the extra features. In many cases, this kind of plan is the easiest way to keep your subscription cheaper while still getting access to more advanced tools and more usage. To check the available plans, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com/signup. From there, review the subscription options that are available in your country. Pricing can vary, so it is important to confirm what you actually see on the screen, rather than relying on old pricing from other videos or posts. If ChatGPT Go is available to you, compare what it includes with the more expensive plans. Look for the monthly cost, message limits, upload options, and image generation features. If you mainly need better access for chatting, research, and occasional uploads, the cheaper tier may be all you need. Another way to save money is to check whether there are any active regional programs or education-related offers. In some places, verified students may be able to claim credits for API or development use. For example, university credits in the US or Canada may provide added value if you qualify. Even if that doesn't reduce the main subscription directly, it can lower your overall cost if you are using ChatGPT for school, coding, or projects that involve the API. If you are a student, always check the official requirements carefully and make sure your verification is complete before assuming you are eligible. A good habit is to compare the monthly price against your actual usage. If you are only using a premium plan occasionally, you may not need the most expensive subscription at all. Instead, choose the lowest official plan that gives you the tools you actually use every day. That is often the real secret to getting ChatGPT 5 cheaper. Also, watch for temporary promotions, regional pricing changes, or new plans that OpenAI may introduce over time. Subscription platforms change often, and a plan that was unavailable last month may appear later in your account. Always sign in with the correct account, check the billing page, and review the plan details before making a decision. Avoid third-party sellers or unofficial discount codes that promise unrealistic savings, because those can be risky or invalid. The safest method is always to use the official OpenAI website and the pricing options shown in your account. So to summarize, first check the official subscription page, then compare the budget tier, then look for regional or educational programs, and finally choose the cheapest option that still meets your needs. That way, you can get access to ChatGPT 5 without paying more than necessary. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and updates on AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.